Hello! Today, I'm sharing how to capture that classy, luxurious vibe this fall with just a few strategic styling choices that will make you look like $1,000,000 without spending it. Picture this. It's a crisp morning and you're standing in front of your closet, wanting to look effortlessly chic for the day ahead. Last year, you found yourself struggling to find pieces that made you feel polished, often resorting to the same dull sweater and jeans. But this year, you've decided things will be different. You're ready to elevate your look and feel truly elegant, and you're exactly where you need to be. Let's dive right in, shall we? Imagine walking into a cozy fall gathering where the air is crisp and the scent of cinnamon fills the room. Now, instead of the usual black outfit, picture yourself in a rich brown coat layered over a brown monochrome outfit, featuring different textures like a leather skirt or leather boots to exude class and elegance. Browns, in all their shades, from deep chocolate to soft caramel, exude an effortless, understated luxury. You can swap your usual black jacket for a deep brown one, and it will beautifully enhance the warmth in your skin tone. Also note, ladies, when paired with elegant gold jewelry, they look sophisticated and approachable. Browns are versatile and create a refined, expensive feel, especially when mixed with soft neutrals like cream or camel. Whether you're going to lunch with friends or meeting someone for the first time, brown makes a statement that says you're put together without even trying too hard. When you're aiming for sophistication but also crave a touch of warmth, Burgundy is your go-to. It's the kind of color that instantly elevates any fall outfit. Picture yourself slipping into a fitted burgundy dress. The richness of burgundy adds a luxurious feel, giving the impression that you put extra thought into your outfit effortlessly. It brings a refined touch that makes you look polished and confident, as if you just stepped out of a fashion magazine shoot. This is what I do. I choose a burgundy coat instead of my usual black one. As soon as I walk into the room, people notice the difference. Burgundy has a way of making a statement that's both bold and refined. It's that perfect blend of richness and subtlety that makes you look like you put thought into your outfit without any stress. Pair it with classic neutrals like camel, navy, or crisp white, and you'll see how it elevates your look, creating a chic and expensive feel for the season. Wearing forest green this fall can make you look effortlessly classy and expensive. Picture this. You're meeting friends for a cozy fall brunch, surrounded by the brilliant colors of changing leaves. You walk in, and that deep forest green immediately draws the right kind of attention. It's the perfect blend of warmth and depth, and when paired with camel trousers or a rich brown skirt, it creates an instantly sophisticated and polished look. Well, many people struggle to feel elegant in fall colors, often opting for black. But if you try a fitted forest green coat over a neutral outfit, it can completely transform your look. Confidence will soar, and you'll likely receive compliments about how expensive the outfit appears. Forest green has that power. It's rich without being overpowering, grounded without being dull. It's a statement color that keeps the focus on you, adding depth and luxury to your outfit without demanding attention. When you want to elevate your wardrobe this fall, reach for shades of forest green, whether it's a beautiful knit, a fitted coat, or a statement dress. It's an easy, go-to color that showcases your ability to dress with both comfort and elegance. What if you crave a color that captures the warmth of the season while also exuding elegance? This is where orange comes in, but not just any orange. Think rich, deep, burnt orange. It's the kind of shade that envelops you in the essence of autumn while still standing out with sophistication. When you choose orange in the right shade, it can make you feel alive, radiating a sense of luxury and effortless style. It's all about balancing it with neutral tones like camel, ivory, or even dark denim. an ensemble that speaks of intention without trying too hard. And remember, it's that kind of confidence, that understated effort, which always looks classy and expensive. And speaking of quiet confidence, let's explore the power of silence. Imagine this. You're at a social gathering, surrounded by people engaging in lively conversation. You're holding a drink, and the person next to you has just finished speaking. Suddenly, a silence falls, and you can feel the pressure mounting. You think, I have to say something, anything to break this awkward moment. In a rush, you blurt out the first thing that comes to mind, only to regret it the moment the words leave your lips. We've all been there. The nervous laughter, the rambling, the regret of saying something just to fill the void. But the first thing I would do if I felt a lack of confidence is to embrace that silence. I've learned that being comfortable with silence is one of the most elegant and powerful tools you can possess. It's a shift that can completely transform how others perceive you. Rather than filling every moment with words, I'd allow myself to pause, take a breath, and simply be in the moment. It's not about trying to keep the conversation alive at any cost. It's about demonstrating that you're comfortable in your own skin, that you don't need to prove anything by constantly talking. Let's return to that social gathering. This time, instead of scrambling for something to say, you smile, maintain gentle eye contact, and let the pause breathe. The person next to you may feel encouraged to open up more, share something deeper, and suddenly, the conversation takes on a new, more meaningful direction. That's the true power of silence. Ladies, embracing silence also enhances your elegance by cultivating a refined presence. In a world that often equates constant chatter with confidence, the ability to remain composed and poised in quiet moments is truly a mark of sophistication. When you allow yourself to listen and absorb your surroundings, you exude a sense of calm that draws others in. In closing, my goal is to empower you to discover and embrace your inner elegance, helping you navigate the world with confidence and grace. By focusing on the subtle art of presence, thoughtful style, and meaningful connections, we can all cultivate a sophisticated aura that reflects our true selves. If you're ready to embark on this journey toward elegance and transformation, I invite you to subscribe. Together, we'll explore tips, insights, and inspiration that will elevate not just your wardrobe, but your entire outlook on life. Let's celebrate the beauty of sophistication and unlock the elegance that resides within you.